stroke which caught Niaju the whale on the back of his head. Out gushed a rush of blood and water. The whale lashed around and around in agony and fury, spouting out water. Huge waves formed, rising higher and higher. The Archer the whale was determined to drown his enemies on the land. The sea rose, creating a tsunami and flooded the land in all directions, all the way to the Great Dividing Range in the west, north to the Diaguila Range, south to Tambourine Mountain, cutting off portions of the mainland, and so forth.
Dili, usaba? Pagkantingali? Di na madaw. Lo, wow! Di siguro madaw. Saroy?
On the back of the Archer where he was speared. Breathed out his calling to his
Tagabiya sa?
descendants. Initiated the great migration of whales to the Brisbane Bay of Islands,
Sila, Kwan?
where they meet
Gina?
Pilipino sa Netherlands.
Ay? Ay, oo.
The whale Niaju lies at the end of the Brisbane
Grabe
River.
sa ang ganda na.
You can still see his shape in the landscape near the port of Brisbane to this day.
Ito yung word sa mga Kwan?
Buti nga naririnig natin eh.
Oo, no?
Oo. Ay, sorry. Galing oh.
No, ang galing no?
Naghanap ka.
Nasa river ba?
Galing oh. Always was.
Will be. Always.
Will be.
Will be. Oh, gibali sa dito sa speakers ang always will be.
Matatapos na. Maganjin.
Maganing?
Maganjin.
Maganjin? Mildan Maganjin.
Always be. Breezy. Breeze Fest.
Breeze Fest.
Brisbane Festival, no?
Oh.
Instead na fireworks, ganyan ang ginawa nila, no?
Ayaw, no, last time.
Oo.
No, kay gibali dito no sa speakers dyan.
Oo, tapos na.
Oh.
Diba? Dali
Siguro
na.
kung nakakasa...
Kaya babay na sila. Papasok na ulit.
I'm on itong dito yung kung saan man ang mga lights diya.
Why is the city so short? Look at all those apartments. This is not New York. Welcome to New York.
Ano lang yan?
Journey.
Ano ba to? Computer.
Computerized.
Oo. Ayun o.
Program. Control,
oo.
no?
Oo.
Grabe ang dami sa.
Oh, story.
Gone.
Yeah, because maybe on these one.